instructional coaches. I'm excited to share with you Edpuzzle in 2 minutes. I'm not going to go through everything on here, but I am going to show you. I already have signed up for Edpuzzle, and so you can sign up. But once you're signed up, I'll just log in. It's very easy. It syncs with Google, and you can sync your Google Classroom also with Edpuzzle. So it's really easy to push out videos to your students through Edpuzzle. So usually you start with so many videos and then for storage, but then our school got the pro school, so we have unlimited storage for all of our videos. If you're just starting, you can earn storage by sharing with your other classmates. So in my school right now, these are some videos from one of our teachers, math teachers. And then these are trending videos. And then there's all these other videos. What Edpuzzle does, it allows me to, I'll go to my content. It allows me to make a video or take a video from YouTube. Right here are these popular channels. You can look at other Edpuzzle videos already made by people. Then you can just take those and make a copy of it if you like it. And you can edit their questions or use their questions. So I can take in mine, I'll go to my content. I made videos on how to I made notes for my students. So instead of taking notes with me and following along and me waiting for everybody to be caught up, I make my notes through a video and then I put them on Edpuzzle. And then my students get to watch me give the notes like I do in class, but now it's at their own in front of them. And all these dots down here you can see are the dots. These are all saying there's questions there, and here's their to-do list. So they have to answer these questions at that time. When I make the video, then I can assign it to my students, for example. So they're watching it. They can see me. They can hear me.
Good afternoon, good evening. So we're going to continue with this foldable. This is the third video in this series. We just did
I love hearing their teachers' voices on there.
And how we can tell if they're parallel by having the same slope.
And so what it just did was I had a note in there that said, hey, wait. And so I can give them notes that alerts them to do something, or I can, and they would have to just say, okay, continue.
And so now we're going to
look at how later, they can't skip while they're watching the video, but I can because it's mine. It'll go to the next and it'll stop at this spot. And here's the question it's going to ask them. So I wrote this question, true or false. They have the same slope. And then they would just choose true or false. They know right away if they got the answer correct. And then I can tell in my gradebook what they got. So I'll go to my gradebook. And now I have my gradebook, and you can change the start date to the 90 days. I haven't done a lot with Math 1 because I'm still developing curriculum for Math 1, but in Math 2, I do lots of these videos. So I can see here my students who watched it, 100% of the video, and they got 100% for scores. They did part of the video. It was late. That little clock symbol means it was late. So now I have this feedback of who watched my video and when and how long I spent on it. And I can tell these students really worked hard during class, finished this one a little after it was assigned and due, but that's okay. And so I can decide to do whatever I want with this. I can just use it for feedback. I can put this in a grade. I can have this be what my homework is. So I tried doing a flipped classroom, and I'm not quite flipped. I wouldn't say I'm flipped at all. I'm integrated more. So my students will watch videos of me giving notes more than I will actually give notes to them in class. There's a lot in here. If I go to back to content, this is where my videos are. I can see other teachers at Alvarez that are using this. And so here's my teachers that are using Edpuzzle. They've actually signed up for it. Some use it semi-regularly, some use it not a whole lot, but it's still, there's things I can see what they've done and who's done it. And I can choose to use their videos or not. We can make them together. These are from online, and then I did not add any questions to this one, but this one I did add questions to. So these are all videos that I have already uploaded that I've done. It does take a little bit of time to make videos, but I can make a video and assign it for homework, and then and since can do it for homework instead of doing a worksheet, they know they're doing something productive, then I can use the content in class. Or I can have students take notes in class, and then I just walk around and monitor and answer questions. So there's a lot more to Edpuzzle than that. I will leave my full PD that I've given at the tech conference a few different times. I will leave that for you on here, and I hope you learned something. Bye.